Hey, Dreadeds, how was Saturday? How you doing? Hopefully you've been able to, I don't know, partake in a wonderful, relaxing Saturday, recharging your batteries so you can get ready for the week that is upon us. Yeah, Bitcoin's taking a break, right? It's not doing anything. It's up 0.29%. But some of the altcoins actually are doing things, right? They're actually putting a little bit of work. So we're just going to look at those. And that's it, dude. Right? I mean, we're going to look at altcoins and, 60 minutes. And that'll be it, man. Okay, so, right, Bitcoin's kind of showing that hidden bearish divergence a little bit. Still losing the positive momentum. Could sell off at any time. But at the same time, where you are, you back tested 10,550. You think in time we could see 10,952. I would not be. You can't be surprised if Bitcoin sees 10,952 at least to test it and fail, right? Test it, break it, then a little more surprising, a little more crazy, and then once you break 11,183, that's when it's gonna be like, dang, man, that it's getting real, dude. A low and then a higher low. Okay. All right, so that's Bitcoin. I guess we can go to the daily if you want, man. Sound check, by the way, too. I don't know if it's too loud, quiet. Remember, bullish engulfing candle, and now we just have 2 candles of indecision after the engulfing candle. That's good. That's bullish. That's not bad, right? So eventually, this keeps up. You might see higher prices. Okay, cool. That's a daily, man. Audio's good. Fantastic, man. Starting to get in the groove. All right, so let's go Ethereum. Not really. I mean, daily is insane. Daily's absolutely insane on Ethereum, but 4 hour, it's okay. Kind of the same thing with some hidden bearish divergence, right, where you make a high September 17th, and you're making a lower high, much higher lows, positive memo. You could reverse here, and that's okay. It doesn't mean you're screwed; it just means you can come down and make another higher low than your low from the 23rd, 3 days ago. So, no big deal, man. This is not where one will get excited. One will get excited on the daily. Look at this, man. Bullish engulfing candle on the daily. Potential double bottom and extreme amounts of seller exhaustion. Class A, Class B. You gotta love it, man. It's like so good. All right. All right, that's it, dude. I wish there was more to it. Like 347. It's like a weekly candle close. Yeah, I think it's the weekly. The weekly, man. The weekly. Look at this, man. We were all but screwed, but not so much yet. We're not out yet. Ethereum's above that the week of August 21st, 2017 level. All right, we're above that. Great. Very good. Who cares? Right, no one cares about anything on a Saturday. Cool, dude. But I'm here. I don't care. Not gonna stop me from showing up. I don't care if you don't care, dude. Alright, so let's just do it. Dash. Let's go to Dash. Beautiful. My God. Yep, hidden bearish divergence a little bit going on. Yeah. That's okay. We could sell off here, make a higher low and run again. But eventually, this is it, dude. It's how it starts, man. You got 4 hour bullish divergence. You're double bottoming. You're at a critical ice line from history. Okay, you go to the daily. Daily's great. Look at the bullish divergence on the daily. Just undeniable. Bullish engulfing candle and a critical support. Too good, man. Too good. This is what dreams are made of. We'll see if it actually plays out. T is respected. This goes much higher. That's it. That is literally it. Dash. Analysis done. Okay. Doing a little bit of test here, right? Okay. Go to Zcash. Zcash, beautiful, fantastic, amazing, phenomenal, potential double bottom. You make a low in price, you make the same low in price, slightly lower, higher levels relative strength. At a very critical area of support, congestion area. It's wonderful, right? Undeniable. That it looks pretty good. You go to daily on Zcash. Same thing, man, right? You're at 53.50. This is where price action has reversed before. And you are I mean, in times in history, it's been resistance for dumping. Now it's being a support. Now once or twice. And guess what? Just like Zcash, just like Dash, you're showing that divergence at the 4 hour. You're showing it on the daily as well. This is great, man. This is what bullish and golden candle at that ice line above the 200-day moving average, man. Just be warned. You're warned. Even the guy with 50 dislike accounts, he's warned. He's an idiot, but he can make money because he watches the stream. He's obviously obsessed. Okay, Monero. Let's go to Monero. What on, man? Monero is kind of weird, man. Not really anything that sticks out too much. You know, that's why we haven't been watching it that much, or I haven't been showing it on stream because it's like not really notable. 4 hours pretty cool because it's like a trading range that you were in at one time, you have thrusted through it, you dumped, and you've rallied, and you're back in it again, right? You're now approaching the top of that range around $97. Don't know if you break it, but if you do, a good chance you'll probably see $100. 280, right? So that's it, man. It's not that great. A little bit of hidden bearish divergence in the 4 hour, like a lot of other coins right now. That's okay. It's not too bad. Okay, you got a big range, $86 lowest risk area, where you had 1-2 opportunities, right? There was divergence on the second bottom at this range bottom, so there was a chance, and it's rallied since then. Great. There. Let's go to Link. Link, man, a beautiful downtrend, had a spectacular bounce off a downsloping demand line. There was kind of some divergence. It really wasn't that clear, man. I don't care who you are. The rally here wasn't, it's not like you were at a critical support looking left. It was just at that demand line, and it bounced and ran up, and now it's, you know, it's back testing $10 as support.
Can you explain hidden divergence?
Sure.
How do I join your Patreon group?
Wow, Patreon. I don't know. I don't have a Patreon group, but I got myself a Patreon group. Yeah, I can tell you exactly what hidden bearish divergence is, man. Okay, let's go back to Bitcoin real quick, just to give you the example. Okay. Hidden bearish divergence is when, look here, listen, right where my mouse cursor is, right? We make a certain level, right? A high on price, 11,152. Right? You have a histogram island. It's this high. It's not very high, right? And then you dump on price, and then you rally. And when you make a lower high on price, you make a higher level of positive momentum. That's it. That's literally hidden bearish divergence, right? So I guess if you want me to get into it, I mean, I'm gonna try, man. I'm trying my best here. Okay, so it's like price is a high on price, right? And then a lower high on price. And then a histogram island that is a low on histogram island. Okay, this is it. All right, so when your price makes lower levels, and when your histogram or any of your oscillators make higher levels. That's it. And this implies impending price action, continuation to the downside, man. Strongest on the daily time scale and the weekly time scale. We're looking at 4 hours, so it's okay. But dude, I'm telling you, this is what you want to look for, this on the daily and weekly for the best results, okay? Crypto and Travel, how do you join the Patreon group? Patreon.com/Lord Ray. Boom. You type that in on your URL, takes you there, you hit join. That's it, dude. Boom. All right? Best time to join is the first of the month. Perfect, dude. That's literally it, right? Price, oscillator. Price at the top, oscillator at the bottom. Okay. Crypto and Travel. Let me know if that helps. It didn't. I don't know what else to do. I must be a terrible educator. Tried, man. I gave it my best. And guess what, chat? You want to give things in life your best shot, and if you fail, that's okay, man. Because, you know, you do the best you can do, and that's enough. That's all it is, man. Okay, so that's kind of what's going on with Bitcoin, but it's 4 hour, it's the weekend FRE, man. You
Thanks
come
a
down.
lot.
Yeah, Curtin Travel, thank you for the super chats, man. Really appreciate it. Hope you have a great weekend, man. Okay? Oh, we got a link. Yeah, we just go back to link for a sec. We were done with it, kind of. You know, look, man, $10 psychological support resistance. It's not really anything but psychology, okay? It's back testing the psychology as support. Don't know if it's going to hold, man, at all. Nah, there wasn't really, I mean, there was kind of an edge, not really, on this bounce. It wasn't one I liked, you know, like good, congratulations on it jumping 20%. It didn't have anything to do with TA so much, okay? All right, let's go to one I love, man. And I only love it because of the technicals. I don't love it because it's project or it's crap, right? Where it does things with crypto, with whatever. I don't care about what it does. What I do care about are the variables it's presented to us on the chart. And it's ICX, man. Up 1.74% today. And a bullish bat pattern. A potential double bottom. Bullish divergence in the 4 hour oscillators. And then you go to the daily and you see at the same time clearly discernible potential double bottom with bullish divergence on the MACD, man. It's like there's too many coinciding variables here. It's gorgeous. It will fail if Bitcoin fails, probably, right? If Bitcoin starts dumping, we go to 3K, yeah, it's all over, dude. But I don't care, man. Like, I'm not worried about that. I'm looking at the variables it's showing, and it's extremely exceptional. This is a specimen potential trade. This is what you're looking for on anything you're trying. It doesn't matter if it's sugar, wheat, Nvidia, Apple, anything, dude. Silver, gold, I don't care. Litecoin. This is what you want. You want 4 hour bullish divergence. You want harmonic patterns on the tail end of the harmonic patterns. You want Bukowski patterns. You want to be above your 200-day moving average. You want divergence. You want seller exhaustion on multiple times. This is everything you want, man. This is it, dude. Okay, that's ICX. It's the reiteration of the analysis I've been giving you for days. It just is. It's playing out. It's just slowly happening. Okay, if anything, look what's happening maybe on the 60-minute, right? Where it's like a low, the lowest low, and maybe higher. Let's say almost inverse head and shoulders looking stuff. 42 cents is a big deal, man. 42 cents is a critical area. If you can break this, you could be kings. So this is all potential. This is not played out yet. It's working on it though. Okay, you get what I'm saying? That's why I'm here. We're doing updates on all of these things. Okay. All right, so we move on. We go to Tron Connect. Tron that it was up 6+% last night as I was getting on. A huge carousel, a huge Ferris wheel. It's now pulled back pretty immensely. You know, it's given up all the gains it had last night, and that's okay. I think it needs to come down to 2.6791 cents. You look left, you look here, you look listen. Back from February 15th, February 30th, Valentine's Day. Tron Connect, will you be my Valentine? Will you back test my Valentine? Please, sir. Please, madam. All right, come down, back test it, and then we go again. And if you do that, you understand what could be in development anyway. Look, a neckline, a left shoulder, a head, a right shoulder. It could be an inverse head and shoulders or something developing, dude. Come down. Say hi. Say hi to the critical ice line. Hold it as support, and then we continue our ascent where the trade setup entry was down hither at the 88% retrace from its previous low from August 27th to its highest point. Let's go, man. All right. Reiteration of the same analysis I've been giving. Dude, okay? Wow. Vechain, do it, thanks. Or is it? Or is it not? Unconventional thinking here on my side. Not really very good swing low at all. Nevertheless, 78% retrace if it was a low to high. 786. Double bottoming. You're double bottoming where? Walmart rumor high June of 2019. Right here. Double bottoming off of that. And while you're double bottoming off that, you just happen to be showing some divergence. It seems like you could argue Maybe not 4 hours, kind of, maybe not, but definitely the daily, man. The daily showing RSI bullish divergence. So I like it, man. This is yet to launch. Yes, sir. It's yet to launch, but still, man. I mean, outside the box thinking can be good if you know what you're doing. So just looking here, listening, man. Yeah, dude. Oklahoma lost, man. Get wrecked. Pathetic. Big 12's trash, right? I blacklisted them 2 weeks ago. I blacklisted Big 12, even though I did take Oklahoma State for a scrub bet. You know, West Virginia's really bad, dude. So, and it was a half a point line, so it's like, yeah. Okay, so you get what I'm saying on Vechain? It could be time. Could be time. If Bitcoin allows it, altcoins could rise. That's it. We move on. We go to Cardano. The triple MACD bullish divergence on the daily, back testing. We're just bouncing off the 200-day moving average. You look left, you look here, you look listen. We're trying to break back out of the range. You haven't done that yet. Well, let's go, Daniel Smiths, man.
Daniel Smith super chatted $49.99.
Oh, thank you so much, man. I really appreciate the $50 super chat. I think that's as many dollars as dislikes on the stream. So, no, 63 dislikes. So, you're a little short. But thank you, dude. I really appreciate it, man. Just all joking aside. Thank you. 100% crowdsourced stream. No advertisements, no crypto, no KuCoin, right? Marketing, right? Like sponsorships by KuCoin that got hacked last night, if you didn't hear about that. And then like the hackers doing racial slurs on his accounts. I don't know, man. It's nuts, dude. You don't get any of that here. So it's all because of each and every one of your contributions to the stream that I exist. So thank you so much, dude. All right. Cheers. Okay, so you break 9.9995 cents, whatever. We could be off, man. I think that's like you're back inside a big trading range. If you break it, I think we could just swing high to low here to get 50% 618 targets. Thinking 12.883 cents would happen if we ever broke 10 cents. Okay, we'd go up a couple cents. Sub, okay. Thanks for the sub. I don't even know you found my channel, dude. No one even subs to my channel anymore, dude. All right. My growth is gone. Oh, yes, it did. Dude, the news broke as soon as KuCoin got hacked. Many people in the Patreon chat were posting that, dude. It was like, wow. This is why I'll never, ever receive sponsorship by a crypto project. And it's just pathetic that people... Dude, I mean, I think at this point it's like 500 different trash exchanges have reached out to me trying to get clout, get my clout, trying to get to your wallets, Chad. They want you to put your money in their trash exchange so they can just get hacked. No thanks, dude. Never gonna happen. Okay. So Cardano, man, the daily divergence got you a big pop. Yet you're at critical resistance, and that's it, man. Still deeply confined within, I think, the parameters of a downtrend right here. You can see clearly on your screen. Okay. We move on to Stellar Lumens. Stellar Lumens did beautiful bullish cipher stuff. Kind of diverged on 4 hour in the end, I guess, right? Kind of hard to say on the MACD, a little bit less clear, but then you go to the daily and things kind of change. The daily was still pretty freaking good. Bullish Harambe back above 7.087 cents, which is a swing low that is very important from February of 2019. Very good, man. I'm telling you, the longer you stay above the February of 2019 low at 7 cents, the higher the probability becomes in time that you eventually see 8.9 cents, which is that peak from September 2019, October 2019, February 2020, okay? May of 2019, and also March of 2019. Okay, so very good news. You know, this is good stuff. Just another altcoin looking kind of tasty, would be the word, where you've got some variables that look pretty good, man. Kind of hard to argue with that. Bitcoin will kill everything if it wants to dump, but hard to argue, man. If I was to look at gold, if I was to look at Nvidia, Amazon, if I was to look at, I don't know, man, tech on the mind. I love tech, dude. If we were looking at Cisco, if we were looking at, I'm SYY, not CI, you know, CSCO, dude. You know, like we're looking at any asset, sugar, corn. We're looking for the same thing I'm seeing on XLM, and it looks pretty good, all right? That's all I'm saying. But just remember, dude, all these things I'm applying, traditional technical analysis, we are not on a traditional market. Please understand that. We are clearing the thicket, dude. What's up, Jurgen, dude? Thanks for the 651 super chat.
Dislikers get wrecked. Best stream on the planet. TA rules.
Much love, dude. Much love, dude. Okay, so we move on. XLM showing an edge on a significant time scale at a deep retrace at the 200-day moving average. Pretty good, dude. All right, Iota. And Iota is a little different, man, where, you know, maybe a swing low here. You could have, let's see what happens if we extend this. Oh, I mean, still pretty close, right? 786. Yeah, see, it's too shallow there to be much anything. It's almost a bat. That's probably the valid swing low on the daily. So not really conventional harmonic, but certainly a deep retrace. That's what harmonics help us see, right? Deep retraces, perceived value areas, where you're showing a low on price and then a slightly lower low on price with much lower levels of negative momentum and kind of, you know, kind of class C bullish average where stagnation and relative strength. You're bouncing. There's so much support here, dude. There's so much congestion. Look, February 2019, April 2019, September 2019, dude. Right? I mean, June of 2020. I mean, here we are again, right? Just at this deep retrace level, and I don't care. Yeah, 886, whatever. 886 is right here. If you're gonna call it a bat, fine. It's like almost perfectly at it. Okay, that's huge, dude. Swing low. Okay, this is exactly what value is, dude. This is why harmonics. This is why we plot harmonics, so you can see it, you perceive it. All right, you don't have to have this plotted. I could just do swing low to swing high. People are going to be more confused. A lot of people are going to be more confused if I don't have the harmonic. All right, so here it is, 200-day moving average. It at that 88% retrace with the seller exhaustion. It'll be time to run, man. It's time to see 31.67 cents in time. If Bitcoin allows, that's where you're going. That is exactly where IOTA's going if Bitcoin allows it. Bitcoin doesn't just crash, man. IOTA could see 31.49 cents. You ever broke that? I think there's a good chance you'll see 36.84 cents and then maybe even 38 cents after that January 2019. Wow. Unbelievable, dude, right? Unreal. Okay, moving on. Who cares? Oil Engine up 4.37% today at a very, very critical support where if you broke it, you broke the size line, you're dead. You could go to the abyss. This is a very long way down. But if you hold this, could be the promised land. And so good to see that we're rallying here. 15.75 cents. You're getting above a congestion area somewhat. Lots of upside potential. Your first target will be 19 cents or so. Okay, one bottom, two, you're kind of double bottoming, kind of showing certain divergence. On the daily, dude, this is not a joke. What's up here, dude? Not having this hoodie in 2020. Imagine not having this hoodie in 2020. Lol, thanks as always for the good content. Bless right back at you, Spear, man. Thanks for all the contributions of love, support. Cheers, dude. Positivity. Hope you're having a wonderful Saturday. Aight? Thank you, dude. Okay, so above the 200-day moving average, kind of a thing going on. You notice how we're looking at the daily on all these altcoins. They're all kind of trying to break back above this 200-day moving average. Very important. You don't want to ignore the 200-day moving average. Simple moving average. Okay. So a little seller exhaustion going on where, yes, if you break it, you're screwed. That's what stop losses are for. But if you hold this long enough, again, 19 cents. If you ever broke 19 cents, 21.6 cents, man. That's it. Perfect. Megan, merch masks are literally available for you to purchase. You would go to the stickers, and there's a variable option in the stickers where you can buy mid-trade TA masks. So, I don't know, a lot of people don't know that. I don't know why it's like that. It's like you could buy a t-shirt, and there's like multiple things you can buy, variables of the shirt. You're in the same logo, but it's like you could buy a hoodie, you could buy this or that. So, you can buy. Multiple people have bought mid-trade TA masks. So, there you go. Edgar, I'm glad you like them, man. Great cheat sheet. Okay, so engine. ONT. ONT, same thing. My God, the daily bullish divergence. Da Jesus. Bullish Harambe rallying 69.68 cents was a target that you thought we could see. A reversal area from November 2019, a reversal area from September 2019. What more do you want? So the one with this was there wasn't a 4-hour edge, 200-day moving average, you bounced off of it, great. XABCD, it's a bullish shark with a higher high on C. Get the 4-hour, it looks great. Yeah, it kind of did have divergence on the MACD. It was kind of there. All right, it definitely was kind of there, man. Like a lot of others, just some were better looking than others. There it was, man. It's beautiful, dude. It's like you just can't make this stuff up. Like deep retraces, value perceived areas. Hopefully, what I'm doing right now is I'm doing the rundown on my watch list, and it's like, all right, man, you're taking notes, you're investing in yourself, you're learning things. You're like, dang, dude, okay, this is getting burnt in my brain, so I can apply this to other markets, any asset, anytime. I don't need niche. But it's fun to come back and we check our notes and, we check our math, make sure everything's good, right? But self-sufficiency, right? Someone who truly cares about you never wants you to be dependent on them, ever, okay? That's real life. So I don't want you to ever be dependent on me, but I do want you to learn the things that I've been learning for going on 11 years, okay? Well, I guess it's going on 10 years now. Started at 23. Yeah, I'm about to be 33. So yeah, going on 10 years, man. Right, you're right at that resistance, 2019. So you break that 74.69 cents. You break that. Well, you're probably going to 87 cents, which is the target of the pattern itself. So great, man. Great, beautiful. It's not the first, not the last. XRP, man. Ugh, dude. Really not good. I don't know, man. 4 hours, blah. It's really not great. Let's try here. I'm gonna try to do something. It's not deep enough. Certainly not. I think the X would be July 1st, 2020. It's like a 618. Kind of reminds me of ETC a little bit, but we couldn't do a harmonic because it's just not deep enough. I want to do it 1 and 2 here. Try that. Oh, that's actually pretty freaking good right there. Wow, it's just a down sloping channel. It lines up perfectly though. Jeez. Okay, so just a downtrend, a low, a lower low, and that is not divergence at all. There's no edge on XRP. It's like, hey, dude, we just looked at all these right back to back to back to back to back to back, and they're all looking good. And then we've got XRP, and it's like, it's really not showing anything good at all. Isn't that typical though? It's XRP, it's trash. I mean, it's like a terrible performer. It kind of underperforms for the past 2.5 years now. It's bad, dude. Like, don't let the XRP scrub. I don't even understand how they're moon boys anymore. They're the most delusional people ever. Like, imagine like being a content creator for XRP, solely for XRP. It's the dumbest thing. I can't even imagine it, man. Like, everything's showing an edge, and XRP's over here looking like a loser, dude. Like a scrub. It's sad, dude. Really sad. So bad, man. All right, moving on. EOS, bullish Gartley, man. Beautiful bullish Gartley. EOS, right? Hands in pockets, people looking way better than XRP. It's great, man. Great bullish divergence looking stuff at the PCZ somewhat, at least from this low to this low. You gotta go to the daily to really see it, okay? Alright, it's kind of there. It's not so good on the RSI. It really isn't that great, but it's certainly an argument could be made that it's diverging like insanely, and you hadn't seen positive momentum on EOS on the daily since August 20th, man. Oh yeah, I'm neglecting assets, dude. Yeah, dude. How about you just leave, okay? Because I'm doing a rundown on my watch list. You're so freaking entitled. Why don't you stop complaining about what I'm looking at, dude? I'm here on the weekend looking at almost every altcoin, and you're gonna complain? Just leave, dude. Don't even watch the stream anymore. Good God, it's just ridiculous. You should end the stream now. Like, cannot look at these coins at my own pace and just enjoy myself. Good God. It's like I enjoy doing it, and then I read some of the chat, and it's like, oh, you're making me not want to enjoy what I love. Like, get out of here, dude. Jesus. Okay, so look at ZRX on the daily. Here's the thing. It's very critical areas, man. You've had like a 50+% drawdown in very short period of time. Right, you lost 63% of your value in 33 days. Okay, unreal. Okay, yeah, K-Clack, how about you never speak in my chat again? Oh, fix that for you. Anyway, so you bounced up the 200-day moving average after losing 65% of your value in 33 days. You got to break back above 40 cents, man. You have to. If you break back above 40 cents, there's a pretty good possibility you'll get an 8% run up, or 8-cent run up, right? That'd be probably your next target. Let's just right there, 45 cents. That low back from September of 2018.
Outside the box question. I'm 95% mobile. Is there an exchange for cryptos, stocks, and comets, and is interoperable? Appreciate you, sir. Have you checked out Algo today, sir? I'll rewind. NP. Join the Patreon. Long yourselves.
Jalapenos, I don't think so. I don't know about it. If you're talking about an exchange that has everything, I've yet to find it. I don't think it exists yet. One day, and when it does, it's going to be incredible. When we get the holy grail of exchanges, or we like FDIC insured, or it's backed, by the government, and we can just trade anything we want for no fees, right? Dude, I can't wait. But no, not yet. Not yet. One day. We're just too early. Okay. I mean, correct me if I'm wrong, chat, right? Thank you for the 20 super chats. Good God. I should just disable chat, I guess, on Saturday streams. It's just just trying to enjoy my weekend, man. Just trying to update you and give you what you want. But just do what Crown does, right? Just do a static video of a rundown of all the altcoins so no one can complain and be upset. Jeez, dude. Okay, so get back above 40 cents and you could be onto something, man. Really kind of hard to say if it's actual divergence. It does kind of look like it, but you know how we like that histogram separation of the islands, which is not quite there, man. Okay. Yeah, man, it's rough, dude. Real rough. But yeah, you could definitely say, look, man, the low and then the other low where the congestion is, it's like RSI divergence looks pretty good there. Pretty good, man. All right. Not bad. Tezos. Wait, you want to look at Algo? Dude? I don't know, man. Algo's not on my watch list because it's trash. Like way more trash than other altcoins. Okay. It looks like, hey, look, dude. It looks just like ZRX, right? Where you make it's like diverging, it's rallying, it's not making higher highs, and eventually maybe it could find itself up here at 39.57 cents. Probably where you could see it go. That's it. That's it, dude. 4-hour divergence, pretty clear. They do the ZRX all over again, 200-day moving. It's like, what? I just looked at this, right? Oh my god, dude. Gross. So... oh yeah, you're back in the channel though. ZRX is a little bit better. Yeah. It's okay. It's really not that good, man. Kind of bearish convergence on the RSI. I've seen better, right? That's it. Okay. Now Tezos. Wait, that's not the Tezos. This is Tezos. Tezos that has not been able to get over the goal line. Extremely nice looking bullish divergence on the MACD. Not really on the RSI at all. Showing his first level positive Momo since September 18th. Right, but really since August 18th. Engulfing candle, nothing going on. You know, if you can ever get back above 229, if you can get above 229, man, there's a real good chance you're going to see 308. All right, 293 to 308. So you're kind of knocking on the door of the supply lot, that nice down sloping resistance. That's it, dude. You break the horizontal line of resistance, $3 in time, okay? This one's been terrible, right? It's just been awful. Look, man, look, he's knocking on heaven's door. It's a beautiful down. Look at the 4 hour, looks gorgeous, right? Very, very nice. Talking about whatever it does now. We got BNB up almost 6%. What a beautiful, fantastic Jesus reversal at the 786 of the bearish cipher pattern. Impossible to argue with. It was here before the move down happened. This is what you do. You identify it, hits it, and it dumps. I mean, the drawdown was absolutely incredible. Right? A 33% drawdown since it hit the pattern completion zone of that structure. Add that now. So, had some nice bullish divergence. Very clear, concise bullish divergence on the MACD at least. It bounced. It's running. You know, if you had a down sloping resistance there, it broke out of that. Okay. And right like this. Is a break. It broke out, right? So Fibonacci high to low. You're 382. You just hit the beginning of the golden zone. Next target's 2757. After that's 2891. No idea, man, how high this is gonna go. It's broken resistance from September 2nd. That's really good. Here it is, man. This is, I would think, this is your next potential major reversal area. 27.19 cents is a high from February 12th, 2020. That's it. That's it, dude. Okay. Great little dragon breakout. Some sort. Not really a dragon. It's just kind of a... supply line was broken, man. Cool. Cool. Litecoin. Alright, man. Litecoin. Bullish bat. Or, sorry, bullish shark. Had the makings of a varsity athlete. Bounced at that 886 congestion area. So value perceived areas and a reversal spot. It did reverse there. Your next target is pretty much $49, $28, $50. You gotta break $50, you're going to $60. But that's not happened yet. Not yet. 4 hour looked okay on the RSI. The daily looked good. Daily looked pretty decent. Like classic Class A bullish divergence. Now testing the 200 simple moving average, 200-day simple moving average as resistance. You break that, $50, man. No problem. Okay. We're going cash. Really, really cool stuff, man. Look at this, man. Look at this. Bullish divergence at a nice line that we've been discussing long before you were here, probably.
So where we hit with that algo?
I already looked at it. Did you literally tip me? And then I looked at it like 2 minutes after you requested it. So where are we at with that algo? It was okay. It looked like ZRX, which is not good enough to say it's a good low risk opportunity trade setup. That's it, man. Hopefully you could rewind the stream or check with your doctor because you might have dementia. Thank you, dude. Guz in the chat for sweaty jalapenos mind. Okay, so the double bottom, one bottom, two bottoms at the critical ice line. Lots of upside potential. Certainly lots of upside potential, man, on BCH. Yeah, it can fail, of course. Bitcoin would make it fail, right? But Bitcoin doesn't dump. This could go tremendously higher. We could see 278 again in time if it runs the top of the range. It's beautiful. It's very good. BCH, okay? That's it, man. Alright, I'm done. I'm good. Alright, so you get it. Altcoins looking good. I'm here on Saturday on my own weekend while I'm on vacation anyway, just to do updates. And I get battered with dislike trolls and really entitled people. You know, like I don't even know. Like is this not good enough for you, man? It's probably not, right? If it's not good enough, then great. Then watch someone else. I don't care. All right. I'm going to enjoy the rest of my Saturday. Thank you all so much for the likes, love, support, contributions. I will be back sometime later. Till next time, respect the T. Hey.
Weekend hype. Thanks for the weekend stream, brah.
Hey, Dub, man. Thanks for the $20 contribution, man. Much love, dude. All right. Next beer's on you. Kings. Need it.